To adjust the audio level of a clip, click on the waveform here below the clip. If you don't see the waveform, come over to the settings and toggle this Show Waveforms checkbox. You can click and move this bar up to increase the volume level or down to decrease the volume. Notice that if you start to increase the volume to the point that it risks distorting, the peaks turn yellow to warn you. If you want to completely mute an audio clip, you can also just drag this down to 0. One tool you might find useful as you work with your sound is audio skimming. Come up to the View menu and check Audio Skimming. This allows you to preview your sound as you move your mouse over the footage. There are also handles on the left and right sides of the waveform that you can use to create a fade in or fade out effect for your sound. Simply click the handle and drag it in to adjust it as far into the clip as you'd like your fade in. There are some additional tools to know about that appear above the viewer when you select a clip. Click the speaker and you see a few additional options. This percentage slider does the same thing as moving the audio line up and down in the timeline. You will also notice an auto button here. If you click this, iMovie will automatically analyze and adjust the audio to an optimum level, effectively normalizing the audio of your clip. The button here beside the speaker opens another set of controls for background noise and the equalizer. You can check this box to filter out background noise and then use this slider to adjust the amount of reduction. This can be helpful to remove a low-level hum or buzz that's in the background. But if you go too high with this, you may experience some weird effects on the foreground audio as it begins to remove certain frequencies. One last control is the equalizer. If you click this drop-down menu, you will see several options for optimizing your sound, and you can experiment with these to find the best audio settings for whatever's going on in your clip.